Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the ESPN Fantasy Sports application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have forgotten to log out from the Fantasy Sports account on your device within the app, then you can simply open up the application, which will directly take you into your dashboard. From this page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and you will immediately see the logout button. Go ahead and tap on it. And now this will log you out from your ESPN Fantasy Sports account right away. You will then end up within the sign up as well as the login page. If you wish to sign back in, you can tap on the login button and proceed forward by using your email address and your password, or by using your biometrics if you have allowed it. And then you will once again be able to re-access your account and log back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the ESPN Fantasy Sports application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.